Okay, so Fear's a pretty good game, just like Call of Duty,
Mm.
just like
You just have to get
Counter-Strike.
used
But
to
the
the
thing
go.
is, if you get used to the game, you're if you play it too many
No.
times, then it gets boring because that's all you do. You just go around and shoot stuff. But if they had a multiplayer version, like one-on-one, just like Counter-Strike, two of you going head-to-head
Ladder,
and
use the
shooting other
ladder.
people,
Other
when
side of
ghosts
the
showing up,
ladder. Other
yeah,
side
this
of
would
the
be a
ladder.
perfect game. Wait,
Turn
why can't
and
I
climb.
climb? Yeah, I know.
Ah, nuts.
What's this? What's this? What do you mean by nuts?
I'm scared.
Scared of what?
You know.
Micah, Alma is a JPEG image. She's a picture. Okay, there's nothing to be afraid of. She's just a picture that flashes on the screen. That's it. That's how cheap it is.
Well, you're used to it. I'm not. Even Gabby.
Yeah, you just get used to it. And then later you're gonna see her walking. That's it. See? That's it. See? She's just walking. Hi, Alma.
She's naked.
Yeah, she's naked. That's all she does.
I don't care. It's creepy.
All you have to do is not attack her,
And-
and then... Oh! What the hell was that? God! Ah! Beep 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 beep.
You can do that!
I don't know!
Why is it when you say something the exact opposite happens? I hate you.
Why is she doing that?
The exact opposite happens every time you say something. What is wrong? I should be watching Girl from Hell right now.
Well, Alma is technically a girl from hell, because it is freaky.
But she doesn't scare her. I can hear her voice.
Her voice isn't here, don't worry.
I am not listening to you anymore.
Why?
Everything you say comes true. The opposite
See?
thing that you say comes true.
What do you mean the opposite thing?
You
Oh, here's
said-
the red thing again. I think she's gonna show up again here.
Oh my god. Why did you turn back?
Huh? Because I want her to show up again.
That won't happen. God. You should have like a tripod for this camera.
No.
I am not doing this.
So there you go. But the thing is, that scene was pretty scary. But if you know that it's gonna show up, if you know that it's gonna happen, then it
And it
won't
only
be
happens.
that
Oh, that's
freaky
the guy
anymore.
that we saw the button.
Yeah, it's Mr. Ass right there. And
Never talk about scary things again.
what am
If
I
we
supposed
say-
to do here?
You were supposed, after she attacked, you're supposed to go, I think, where she was.
Yeah,
Do
this
that.
is it.
That was not it. That was before it. Oh, that was
This was it. This is the room where she came
Then
from.
turn.
Okay, is that her?
No.
Nah.
Ugh.
Wait, I think there's a switchboard I have to press.
Now I don't want to look.
You don't want to look. You're the camera person.
Well,
If
you
there
have
are
to-
lines on the screen, no,
Why?
she's not gonna show up.
No! Don't
She's
say
not gonna
that!
show up.
She's
She's not gonna show up. My gosh, she is not going to show up.
When you-
There, see, there's lights everywhere. See, there's the computer. There's everything cool. See, everything's nice. Everything's good. It's a computer room. See,
I don't care.
nothing too freaky. Okay, and I'm gonna have to read the walkthrough again, okay? Because, quite honestly, the only reason why I wasn't scared was because I knew that was gonna happen through the walkthrough.
I hate
And
you.
now, I don't know what's... Oh, the lights are going off.
Ah!
The lights are going off. Now, how do I open this door?
Try the computers.
Okay. Yeah, so, there we have it. Another Alma scare.